Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make beef stock at home. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, such as marrow or knuckle bones, along with chopped carrots, celery, and onions in a large roasting pan. Roast for approximately 45 minutes, or until everything is deeply browned. This crucial step develops a rich, complex flavor that will be the foundation of your delicious stock. Once roasted, carefully transfer the bones and vegetables to a very large stock pot. Add enough cold water to cover the ingredients by about 2 inches. Incorporate aromatics like a bay leaf, a few sprigs of fresh thyme, and about 10 black peppercorns. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, uncovered, for a minimum of 8 hours or even up to 24 hours for maximum flavor extraction. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat. Using a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth, carefully strain the stock into a clean container. Discard all the solids, their work is done. For a more concentrated flavor, you can return the strained stock to the pot and simmer it gently until it reduces by about 1/3 or 1/2. This step intensifies the beefy goodness. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate it for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months. Once chilled, any fat will solidify on top and can be easily skimmed off if desired. This homemade beef stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and braises, adding incredible depth to your cooking. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.